Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you the replacement method of the check valve of the material measuring port of the dispenser. Firstly, we remove the quick plug and pull out the check valve of the material measuring port. When pulling out the conveying pipe, be careful not to remove the upper pressing button. We disassemble the material measuring port. Then poke out the original check valve. Open it. Replace the spring. And press it tightly. We put the check valve in the original position. Please pay attention to the round mouth facing up when putting it in. After connecting the measuring port with the pipe cap, insert the quick plug. So far, the replacement of the check valve at the measuring port is completed.
Splanny.